In the Haftarah of Parashas Vayikra, we read from the Navi Yeshaya, Perek Mem Dalet Pasuk Vav, HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, Ko Amar Hashem, HaKadosh Baruch Hu testifies on himself, Ani Rishon ve'ani Acharon, I am the first and I am the last, Umi Baladai en Elokim, and there is no other God but me. Says the Bnei Yissaschar, Umi Baladai en Elokim, what is Elokim? Obviously spelled with a Hey. Aleph and Lamed, Hey and Yud and Mem, the name of Hashem, equals in Gematria to 86. Hateva, nature is 86 as well. Hey and Tet, Ves and Ayin is 86. Because there is no laws of nature. It is only God. That's why Kodesh Baruch Hu says, Umi Baladai, if it wasn't for me. Besides for me, there is no other God. There is no other nature. There is no nature because God himself is nature. God hides himself in nature. Sometimes we might think there are laws of nature. Tomorrow the sun will rise just like it did yesterday. And when the rain comes, so then things get wet. The wind comes and it dries it. There is no nature. It's all God. Umi baladai testifies HaKadosh Baruch Hu, en Elokim, en Hateva, en nature. There is no nature. It's all God's act.